This 2008 Ford Super Duty F-350 SRW is brought to you by TX Work Trucks. One owner, clean title, 2008 Ford F-350 single rear wheel service body work truck. 91K original miles, Firestone tires with great tread life remaining, ice cold AC, hot heat, AM/FM radio, clean interior. Steel weld service body box with dual ladder racks and 8mm, number 39, conduit storage tube up top. Tow package, manual slide out tow mirrors. Smooth shifting transmission, recent transmission fluid service. Fresh oil change and Texas State Inspection 90-day ASC drivetrain warranty included in purchase price $940, $595, $9328 www.tswertrucks.com 5101E University Drive Denton, Texas. Visit us at txworktrucks.com.